Hi guys, this is Gaurang and I am starting the practice the 100 days of practice questions and projects. So let's get started. This is the question of if else in Python. Given an integer n, perform the following conditions action. If n is odd, print weird. If n is even, in the exclusive range of 2 to 5, print not weird. If n is even an inclusive range of 6 to 20, print weird. If n is even and greater than 20, print not weird. Let me understand. Saying that if the custom input, if we take the input in any variable like n, if it is odd, print weird. If it is even in these range, in 2 to 5, print not weird. 6 to 20, print weird. If it is greater than 20, not weird. So tab strip is default. N modulus 2 is equals to 1, print weird. Else if if n um, if I take range in range 2 comma 5, print not weird. If n in range 6 comma 20, print weird. Okay, else we print weird. Okay, let's support I'm using custom. Okay, so I have completed my first question of the hacker rank. Submit code. Wrong answer. Test case 2. Test case 7. What is the problem? I can't understand. Input. If I remove string, what will happen? Code takes no problem. If I submit this, same problem. What should I do? I can run also in VS Code. So take this in VS Code. You take a new file here, not in HTML. Take a new file a.py. Okay, copy paste, shift, now enter the number. Now let's see what happened here. Everything is okay, I think. Here, let's put the hmm. I put 6. 6, no, print weird. Okay, again, you have to see all things. If I say 1, should it weird. Okay, if I say 3, what will happen? Let's see. 3. Weird. Uh, let's take let's take 20. 20. Okay. Hmm. If I can make so 20. Ah, that's the problem. That's the problem. I found it. If I again say 20, should print weird. Okay. If I take 21, should print not weird. Okay. Let's see. Here we change 21. Run code. The sound is the same. No. Test case 2 is left. What's the problem? I can't think. Explanation 1. N is equals to 24. N greater than 20. And N is even. So it is not weird. Maybe it's the same. Still problem I can't understand. If we take 0, it prints nothing. Let's print 2. Take 2. Okay. Oh, that's the problem. If we take break, no, not. That's the problem. What if we take 1? Let's see. Prints not weird again. What if I print 4? See, it's not weird again. Can I use break and else? No. Can I use break here? I can use an only. So it goes like this: 20 greater than 20 front. Now it will not problem here. Let's see. Here 2. Okay. Let's see. If n greater than 20, submit code. Yes, I made it. I won 10 points. Okay. So let's end this first class. Bye bye. Thank you for supporting me. Bye.